Hi everyone. So the next topic is reaching out of your comfort zone. What is comfort zone? Comfort zone is a behavioral space that we tend to spend most of our time in. It is a space where our behaviors and activities fit a routine and pattern that minimize our stress and perception of risk. It prevents you from improving. It stops you from achieving all the things you are capable of achieving. Comfort zone is a little circle, and outside this, there is growth and success in life. And to get those, we all have to come out from the comfort zone. So, if you want to achieve your dreams and growths in life, you have to venture out of it. And this step is crucial for personal and professional growth, but many of us never take it. There are different tools that we can use for stepping outside your comfort zone, and they are conviction, clarity, and customization. Conviction is like we need to give yourself a psychological permission to do things out of your comfort zone and convince yourself that it is worth to do. And clarity is that we should have the clear vision of realistic outcome. And customization means customize your approach to a new challenge and try something new until you feel comfortable. By doing this, you can unlock your full potential. When you are in comfort zone, your brain doesn't want anything to change. So getting out of your comfort zone from time to time creates just enough good stress to ramp up your focus, creativity, pace and drive. It helps you to respond to life stress when unexpected things happen. Once you move out of your comfort zone, you are naturally going to achieve more than ever before. Your increased concentration and focus will help you to develop new skills, and those new skills will change the way you see yourself, encouraging you to step even further out of your comfort zone. Thank you.